Attach the mounting plate to the junction box and secure with the screws in the accessory pack. Loosen the hex nuts around the bolts and screw in or unscrew the bolts from the junction box to get the right length for installation. Connect the black wire to the black hot wire with a P3 wire nut and wrap the wire nut with insulated rubber tape. Connect the white wire to the white neutral wire with a P3 wire nut and wrap the wire nut with insulated rubber tape. Connect the green ground wire to the brass ground wire with a P3 wire nut and wrap the wire nut with insulated rubber tape. Secure the nuts to mount the canopy to the wall. Screw off the socket ring. Put the fabric shade around the lamp holder. Secure the fabric shade by screwing a socket ring into the lamp holder. Screw the bulb into the lamp holder. Turn the switch clockwise to turn on/off the wall light. The joint close to the lampshade pivots 340 degrees horizontally while the joint attached to the canopy swivels 180 degrees horizontally.